my dad and I would always fish, and Uncle, we'd always fish together. Well, everything from trout to smallmouth bass to stripers, or anything that swam. My dad tells me a story, I don't quite remember it, but we hooked this huge trout, the biggest trout in the lake, and it's on a Mickey Mouse rod. And then halfway through the fight, I get distracted with something and I just drop the rod, and they end up grabbing it and oohing and eyeing over the size of this fish, and I could care less. Yeah, I stuck with it. The first time you see a big fish, or the first time you see a orange char, that's how excited you get, and it reminds you why you keep doing it, and that's why you see it in the guess that you're fishing. You learn something new every day. Yeah, that's the honest truth. Every day you spend on the water, you always learn something new. Be patient, wait for it, and then set the hook.